headlines are screaming it from every screen. AI is coming for your job. Mass layoffs, robot takeovers, it all sounds pretty scary, right? You see images of empty offices and feel a sense of dread. But what if I told you the real story is a bit more complicated? And actually, a lot more hopeful. Let's take a deep breath and look past the fear-mongering. The truth is AI isn't really here to replace asterisk. You, asterisk. It's here to replace tasks. Tedious, repetitive, soul-crushing tasks. Think about it. How much of your day is spent on things a machine could do? Sorting through endless emails, organizing massive spreadsheets, transcribing meeting notes. These are the things AI excels at. It's a tool, a very powerful assistant that can free you up to focus on what humans do best. Thinking critically, solving complex problems, being creative, and connecting with other people. It's not about replacing the accountant, but about automating the data entry. It's not about replacing the marketer, but about automating the performance report generation. This shift frees up human brainpower for strategy, innovation, and leadership. So, which jobs are most affected? Yes, it is true that roles heavy on routine data processing and predictable physical labor are at higher risk of transformation. Think data entry clerks, some assembly line workers, or basic customer service roles that answer the same questions over and over. We're already seeing this happen. But for every job that shrinks, history shows us that new ones emerge. The Industrial Revolution didn't just replace weavers. It created mechanics, engineers, and factory managers. The internet didn't just hurt print media. It created social media managers, SEO specialists, and digital artists. The same pattern is happening with AI. We're seeing a huge demand for new roles that didn't exist a few years ago. AI prompt engineers, who are like translators between humans and machines. AI ethicists, who ensure these systems are fair and unbiased. AI trainers, who teach the models what they need to know. And beyond these new AI jobs, existing roles are evolving. Doctors are using AI to diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately. Artists are using AI to create stunning new forms of visual media. Architects are using it to design more efficient and sustainable buildings. The jobs that will grow are the ones that require collaboration with AI, strategic thinking, emotional intelligence, and creativity. These are skills that are, for the foreseeable future, uniquely human. This brings us to the single most important skill for the future. Adaptability. The ability to learn, unlearn, and relearn will be your greatest asset. It's not about becoming a master coder overnight. It's about being curious. It's about playing with new AI tools, asking questions, and not being afraid to experiment. Think of it like learning to use a smartphone for the first time. At first it was intimidating, but now it's an indispensable part of life. AI is the same. Start small. Ask an AI chatbot to help you write an email or brainstorm ideas for a project. Use an AI image generator to visualize a concept. The more you use it, the more you'll understand its strengths and weaknesses, and the more comfortable you'll become integrating it into your workflow. The future belongs to the curious, to the lifelong learners. So, let's change the narrative. Instead of fearing replacement, let's get excited about augmentation. AI isn't the enemy. It's the most powerful tool humanity has ever created. It's an opportunity to offload the mundane and elevate our own work, to solve bigger problems and unlock new levels of creativity we haven't even imagined yet. The future of work isn't about humans versus machines. It's about humans asterisk with asterisk machines. Your unique human intelligence, your creativity, and your adaptability are your ultimate job security. Don't be afraid of the future. Be the one who builds it. AI won't take your job, but someone using AI, someone learning faster than you, just might. Their race is on, not against the machines, but to become the best version of your professional self. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on navigating our changing world.